Hi, this is Nick. In this video, I will share how to use the date filter to select the date range for the current year, and then automatically display the same date range for last year for year-over-year comparison. For instance, using the filter, I selected January 1st to March 11th, 2026, and then it will automatically compare to the same date range but for last year. Step 1 is to create a measure as you normally would. In this case, we're using the total volume. Step 2, create a date table and connect it to your raw data table. Step 3, we need to create another measure for last year's same period. Step 4, we need to create another measure for year-over-year comparison. In this case, we're using current year minus last year. Step 5, let's build up the matrix and put all the three measures we just created into the matrix. Step 6, go to Cell Elements and set up the icons for your comparison. Step 7, create a new date slicer using the date column in the date table, not from your raw data table. And continuing step 7, make sure you put a year into the filter on this visual so that this date slicer only shows dates for current year. And finally, step 8, rename column headers to make it more user-friendly. Enjoy Power BI and have fun.